Hello everyone, I am back with another video. In this video, I will review and unbox 48 color Himi Gouache paint. Each tube contains 12 grams of colors. Miya Himi is a very popular brand in China and it is now very popular all over the world. I bought this almost 2 and 3 months ago, but I could not unbox it due to my busy schedule. So today I will unbox it and also will share all the details, and I will also swatch all the colors, so stay tuned. They have given a white gray inside the box to do the colors. Also a card with some tips and all the name of the colors. I wanted to try these colors for a long time, but recently I found it on sale, so I immediately bought it. Though it is not so expensive, it is quite cheaper compared to other brands available in market. Now let's open all the colors. Unboxing is done and you can see how vibrant all the colors look. I'm gonna swatch them all, so I am pouring some water in a glass. I took 2 brushes and soaked them in water. I took my regular diary to draw. Let's swatch all the color one by one. The first one is a regular white color and the second one is titanium white. Titanium one is more bright. I think it will look great in clouds. Let's enjoy all the colors without saying much. Some color in my hand. All the color looks so pretty and so vibrant. Just randomly wrote something. I will make another tutorial video using these colors and let's see how it goes. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, stay happy and thanks for watching the video.